I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by working on damp, 70% wet hair. This gives product slip and pattern formation. Once detangled, apply a lightweight leave-in to lock moisture and reduce frizz. This helps gel sit on strands rather than soak in. Make sure to section hair into 4-6 parts so every curl gets product. Start with a small amount of gel. You can always add. This step sets curl clumping and prevents stiff, crunchy results later, so take your time here. Once sections are ready, use 1-2 pumps of gel per section and distribute from roots to ends. Rake through with fingers, then smooth and scrunch upward to encourage clumps. This forms castable shells. If you want tighter definition, finger coil pieces now. Otherwise, avoid over-manipulating, which causes frizz. Make sure to seal ends and apply a little more gel where hair is thicker. Air dry or diffuse on low heat. Doing this keeps the cast uniform and preserves your curl pattern. Let the gel fully dry into a cast. Either air dry completely or use a low-heat diffuser until crisp. Once dry, gently break the cast by cupping and scrunching sections, or apply a few drops of oil to soften crunchy bits. This restores softness while keeping definition. Make sure to lift roots to add volume, but avoid rewetting the cast, which dissolves shape. If pieces look crunchy or flaky, lightly palm smooth with oil. This troubleshooting tip saves the style without losing curl definition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.